Welcome to Salestrekker 2.0. In this module, we'll walk you through how to set up your broker profile. Your profile ensures your details appear correctly on lender forms, compliance documents, and client communications. How to access your profile from the Salestrekker 2.0 dashboard. Click your initials on the bottom left-hand corner. From here, select Settings. And this takes you here to your account. This section contains your personal and contact details. Review your name, your email address and phone number. Update any fields that are incomplete or incorrect. These details automatically populate into client documents and email templates. Now scroll down to Account Professional Licenses. Enter your accreditation information, including your credit representative number, your MFAA or FBAA membership numbers, and any other licensing information. Ensure that these match your compliance records. And lastly is your email details. Add your closing signature here. Include your name, company logo, email address, and your contact details. Now you completed your broker profile setup. This ensures your applications, compliance documents, and client communications are accurate and professional.